Hey everyone, Kerry Knoll here, and today we're going to learn about the app marketplace within HighLevel. So with that being said, let's get started. Okay, welcome back, and in this particular video we're going to talk about the next one here, app marketplace. So here in the app marketplace, when I clicked on it, brought me here by default marketplace apps. Get more out of your CRM, explore apps, and integrate them with your account seamlessly. So there's all apps and then installed apps. So if I have any installed apps and I click on it, it'll show me what's installed, but I don't have any. And if I click back to all apps, I can see what's all available. Right now it just shows me all apps. There's 50 apps available. I can search for them. I can also change permission and see what is available and such. Let me go back. And if I'm looking for something in particular, I can look for stuff in accounting and payments, advertising, analytics and data, calling, content management system, CRM, customer success, data management, e-commerce, email, lead generation, live chat, marketing automation, sales enablement, SEO, webinar, and other. So if I'm not sure if there's something here in particular that would make sense for this demonstration purpose, let's just click on email. This one says Zalo, and I don't really know what Zalo is, so let's click into it. And it says integrate Zalo chat for Vietnam marketplace. Well, that doesn't really work for us, or we don't really need it. I suppose this has something to do with potentially VAs, maybe communicating with them or something. I'm not sure. Here's a QR code generator, which is listed here. Printful is a recognizable print-on-demand business here. So if we clicked on that one, it would say app category e-commerce, pricing free, app version. So it looks like you can manage your orders within the dashboard of your HighLevel account, or in this case it could be in the Marketing Engines A.I sub account you have, right? You can add that. You can just click install to add it. Explains more about what it is, your ultimate print-on-demand integration app, more information, opportunities, access to write, permission details. You can click on some of this stuff, create drop shipping order, resources, CRM, app marketplace, /Printful. So we go back to apps. I think you get the picture here. You can find different apps. There's a Setter AI, Voicer AI, or Voice or AI cold caller basically is what it is. Synthflow.ai, AI phone assistant, not sure. Quick Print Studio. Again, you can just page through these next. You can click, let's see what the next group is. So there's a few here. Local Business Pro, AI phone and chat assistant to help close more sales. Some of this could be very useful. Some of it's probably not so great. It just depends. I don't really know. What they probably need to do is start adding reviews and ratings to help you understand what's good and what's not. But anyway, this is here for you. You can check it out. You can go through here. Perhaps there's something you need in your particular business that you think might be available in the marketplace as an app that would save you time from creating it or having it basically custom developed for HighLevel, right? So this is like these folks that want to build custom apps inside of HighLevel have done so already, and then they're plug and play by just clicking install, uninstall, etc. Instead of hiring a developer or developers to develop you a solution that would be proprietary to your HighLevel account, it would be maybe more advantageous if you have an idea that's not listed here in the marketplace and you think others might also find it beneficial or useful to create an app in the realm of being able to potentially have it here inside of the marketplace apps so that you could either sell it or give it away type thing. And again, I don't know what the benefit of creating an app in here and then giving it away for free would do for you, but selling it could obviously bring in some extra revenues if it was popular enough and people wanted it or needed it, etc. So that's something you can think about doing too with this, besides finding a solution for a particular problem you need solved that maybe one of these marketplace apps would do for you. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'll do my best to answer them in a timely manner. And with that being said, I hope you have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you real soon. Take care.